This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys, first I want to give the definition first. Okay, first two important points. Okay, two important points I will write on sets. Okay, make a question yourself. What are, okay, sets? Okay, so what are sets? Guys, sets are like list. Sets are like list, like list, with an exception, with an exception. It does not allow duplicate items. Remember, it does not allow duplicate items. It does not allow the duplicate items. Okay, and let us see first. Let me write the definition. For point one, okay, uh, a set, a set is an, a set is an unordered, unordered. A set is an unordered, it's a guys unordered collection of elements. Unordered collection of elements. A set is a unordered collection of elements which are enclosed in, okay, flower brackets. Yes, which are enclosed in flower brackets. See guys, first definition. A set is a unordered collection of elements, okay, which are enclosed in flower brackets, okay, or curly brackets, you can say. Okay, and say a set is 1 minute. A set is like a list. A set is like a list, like a list, okay, with an exception. A set is like a list with an exception that uh, they do not have, they do not have, okay, duplicate, okay, items, with an exception that they do not have duplicate items, means they do not, okay, that does not allow the duplicate items. Okay, after that we are going to write the difference between, okay, sets and tuples, or sets and the list. Sir, a set is like list only. Okay, that means guys, a set is a mutable object. Sir, a list is a mutable object. A list is a mutable object, you know, already we discussed. Guys, what is a mutable object? A mutable object is nothing but an object that can be modified, that can be modified or changed even after creation. Yes, in the same way guys, okay, a set is also a mutable object. A set is a mutable object. A set is a mutable object like list. Sir, a set is like a list, means a set is a mutable object with an exception. What is an exception? Set does not allow the duplicate items. Set does not contain a duplicate items. Okay, and moreover, it is a unordered collection of elements. What do you mean unordered collection of elements? Means the order of insertion is not same as order of access. Unordered collection means guys, and try to understand, I'm writing a point, what is the meaning of unordered collection? Yes, means order of, guys, order of, okay, insertion, yes, is not same as Order of insertion is not same as order of access, is not same as order of access. Order of insertion is not same as order of access means in which order you insert the elements in the set, in which order you insert the elements in the list, and the say it's not going to display the items in the same order. The order in which you insert, the same order is not going to be preserved while you are accessing or while you are displaying the data. And let us, you guys can watch first. Let me these 4 points, let me explain first. First, these 4 points, let me explain practically. Guys, here I'm creating a notebook. Guys, you know, a notebook is nothing but a notebook is nothing but a web based. Guys, remember, a notebook is a web based document, a web based document where developers can write small pieces of the code. Developer can write small pieces of the code. Clear? And see, guys, here now I'm writing sets. Okay, now guys, here remember what is a set. Okay, and first let us try to create a one empty set. I will create. Okay, so here set name, you can give any name. Set name can be anything. Say s1, s1, okay, equal to. And how to create an empty set? There is a function called set function. You can see set s1 set function empty. See, guys, let us execute. Shift enter. Shift enter means current cell will be executed and create a new cell. Okay, so guys, do you want to check s1 is a set type? Print, guys, print type of s1. What type of variable s1 is? Guys, class set. Okay, you can create an empty set. In the same way, you can also create a set with a single element. Okay, set with a single element. Suppose, sir, I'm creating one more set s2. S2 is a variable equal to, within the flower brackets or curly brackets, you can give the element 100. See, guys, execute. Now again print type of s2. Guys, it is also set. Now set with a single element. Set with single element. See, empty set, set with a single element, even set with multiple elements. Okay, now let us create, guys, set with multiple elements. Sir, I'm creating s3. Okay, s3 is another set within the flower brackets. Now you can keep multiple items or multiple elements. Okay, guys, I'm creating multiple elements like C, say, and Kiran. Okay, Kiran. Okay, and the other one is say, and Rajiv, and next 45,000. Okay, and the next, see, Python. Sorry, next single quote. Okay, Python. Okay, next. Okay, PySpark. Okay, and the next. Okay, you can say 90. Next, boolean value true. Okay, some values I'm inserting, guys. Some values I'm inserting. Okay, even some decimal points like C, and 72.15. Sir, some elements. Now elements are of different type, and few are string, and few are integers, few are decimals, few are booleans. Okay, different types of elements, but those elements are enclosed in, okay, enclosed in flower brackets. Okay, flower brackets, guys. See, now let us execute. Okay, sir, in which order you Okay, inserted elements, please look at which order. First, which one? Uh, First, which element you inserted? Kiran. After Kiran, Rajiv. After that, 45,000. After that, Python. See, order of insertion. Please capture, sir. Please capture the screenshot in your mind. Order in which you inserted the element. First, Kiran, Rajiv, 45,000, Python. Okay, the order is not preserved. Okay, it may display in a different order. Okay, suppose if you want to say print, guys, print when I say s3, sorry, print s3, I want to print a set. Printing. Hmm. Guys, tell me, while displaying the data, if you try to access the data, see what order you inserted and what order it is displaying the elements for access. Tell me, is order is preserved? Come on, is that order is preserved or not? Come on. Yes,
No, it's
please
not.
let me know, guys.
No,
Okay.
no.
No, order is not preserved. It is a unordered. Guys, it is a unordered collection of elements. But whereas yesterday and day before yesterday we have discussed, okay, and here I'm going to write some important key points at the very bottom. Key takeaways. Key takeaways, guys, remember. And key takeaways. A list is a, guys, remember, a list is a okay, ordered. Yes, a list is a ordered collection of elements. Ordered collection of elements. Ordered collection of elements, and those elements are enclosed. Yes, in square brackets. Yes, enclosed in square brackets. It's a ordered collection of elements. Means in which order you insert the elements in the, okay, in which order you insert the element, the same order is preserved while accessing the data. Same order is preserved while accessing the data. That is the reason you could able to access the elements using indexes, and you can also able to slice the data because of that reason, because it's order of elements is preserved. The order in which you insert, in the same order, in the same order, the elements can be accessed. As a result, you guys can access the elements using index that represents the position of element in the list, and also you can slice the portion of the data from the list. Okay, and fine. And guys, next, okay, recapture the information. Come on. Okay, recapturing. Last two classes were discussed. Then again, we'll go back and discuss about the sets. Okay, and see next one. Okay, list is a, sorry, list is a mutable object. Okay, next, when it comes to third key takeaway, guys, and tuple is a an ordered collection of, is an ordered, again, ordered collection of elements, ordered collection of elements, again, which are enclosed, which are enclosed in parenthesis, which are enclosed in parenthesis, guys. A tuple is a tuple is a tuple is a ordered collection of elements. This is also ordered collection of elements which are enclosed in parenthesis. Okay, and guys, what is a type of object a tuple is? Come on. Okay, tuple is, guys, tuple is a what type of object? Is it a mutable or immutable? Come on, you know very well. Tuple is a
Immutable.
mutable or immutable? It's a immutable. It's immutable object. What do you mean by immutable object? once an object is created, it cannot be modified. It cannot be modified, or it cannot be changed, its elements. Okay. Tuple is an immutable object, but it is an ordered collection. Okay. And you can also, guys, okay, yes, and tuple is a, okay, read only. Tuple is a read only object. Tuple is a read only object. Tuple is a read only object. That means it contains elements which can only be read it. You can access it. As you can access it, but you cannot modify it. Tuple is a read only object. That means elements which does not changes ever. Elements which does not change ever. Elements which does not change ever. Those elements are recommended to create in the form of a tuple. Tuple is a read only object. Okay. So, and see, guys, and when you comparing these two things, when it comes to set is a, sir, set is a unordered collection of elements, unordered. Yes. And moreover, set is a mutable object. Okay. And one more thing, set is like a list with an exception that it does not contain duplicate items. Now let us see that also better. See, is an unordered collection. And next, guys, let me say it does not allow the duplicates. We'll try. Sir, I'm creating a one more set, S4. S4 is another set. Sir, here I'm keeping some elements. Sir, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. You give something. Okay. Even last maybe 20 you can give. Sir, 10 is an element which is inserted 6 times. Yeah. Which is inserted 6 times. Let us see whether it allows the duplicate items or not. See, guys. Okay. Set created. Now print. Now print, you will come to know print. Whether it is allowed or not, you will come to know print S4. Yes. Sir, is a 10 displayed in 5 times or 6 times or 1 time? Come on. Now eliminating the duplicates. Come on, guys.
Yes,
Eliminating
it's
the
eliminated.
duplicates or not? Yeah. Sir, sometimes in interviews, guys, okay, question generally used to come. Okay. Sir, I have a list which contains a duplicate items. Sir, I'm talking about a list. I'm talking about a list. I have a list which contains some duplicate elements. How to eliminate duplicate elements in the list? Question comes. I have a list. List contains duplicate items or duplicate elements. How to eliminate the duplicates? Yes.
You
Simple
can
answer.
convert it to
Okay. List can be converted to what, sir? Set.
set.
Yes. Set.
Yeah.
A list convert to set. Once it convert to set, any duplicate items, it will be, okay,
It will be
eliminated.
moved.
Later, set can be converted to what, sir? Come on. A list.
Vice versa.
Yes. Vice versa. Okay. First convert the list to set. Once duplicate elements are eliminated, then set again convert back to list. Yeah, you can convert. If that is not the logic, you can use if then else conditions. Yeah, there are multiple ways the logic can be written. Okay. So, guys, okay, see, it does not allow the duplicate items. And one more thing, guys, you can use set function. You can use a set function to convert a string or list, a tuple into a set. Okay. I'm writing a comment line better. You can understand. Otherwise, notes. Okay, I will write notes. Why? Because this will be helpful to you. Guys, okay. Guys, set function. Remember, set function can be used. Yes, set function can be used, okay, to convert to convert a string or list or okay tuple into a set okay. A string can be converted, maybe you can write in the double quote, a string can be converted or list can be converted or tuple can be converted into a set using set function. Yes, try this. And this point also let us, and suppose sir I have a list. Yes, list, say list 1. My variable name is list 1. Now square bracket, and you can write some elements 10 comma and 20 comma 30, okay, 40, again 10, again 10. I'm inserting duplicate elements again, okay, 50 and maybe 70, some elements. 10 is a duplicate item. List, guys, this list I want to convert into set. Okay, now see guys, okay, and my set, sir, my set equal to, okay, there is a function called set function, and inside the set function I can pass a list variable. What is the list variable, guys? List 1. Guys, list 1. Now create, now, and print my set. And see guys, now duplicate, no duplicate elements, come on, no duplicate elements, and order is not preserved. Order also guys, see, not preserved. And see, 10 is only one time only displaying. Okay, so good. In the same way guys, even you can say and tuple also you can consider. See, guys, and my underscore, okay, tuple, create my tuple equal to parenthesis, open the parenthesis, and write some items like, okay, items like, see, and say Sanjay, okay, and items like the course which is learning is Python, and the course duration is, let us say, and say, and 100 hours, okay, sorry, and fees is say 25,000, and see, okay, boolean, as some elements, okay, have it. Now convert guys, convert, and see, and my set guys, my set, again my set 1 equal to, my set 1 equal to set function, and pass the variable my underscore, okay, tuple. Now see, converted. Now, and print, yes, print my set 1, my set 1. Okay, so, and even string also you can consider guys, string. Sir, I'm creating my string, my str equal to string. Sir, I'm writing the string as Azure, okay, data engineering, Azure data engineering. Sir, this is my string. Okay, now this string you want to convert to, okay, say set, and simple, see, my underscore set 3, okay, equal to set function. You can pass my underscore str, my string. Now convert and print. Okay, so guys, uh, a string, tuple, list, anything can be converted to set using set function. And sir, uh, set is a mutable object. Now you need to prove it, a set is a mutable object. set is a mutable object. Mutable object. So guys, if you want to prove it is a mutable object, see, and set is a mutable object. So here, take what is the set I've created. Better, I'll create a one set, guys. My underscore set, one variable now I am creating is equal to, open the flower brackets, sir, 100, 200, comma, 300, say 400, 500, 600. Just okay, 600. Sir, I'm creating a set. Now we need to check set is a mutable object. Mutable object means it can be modified. It can be modified. So let us say my underscore set. Guys, my variable name is my underscore set. Okay. Dot, guys, dot add. Sir, add method. Yes. I want to add an element called 700. Sir, I want to add a 700. Now, now print my underscore set. Guys, see, 700 is added. It's a mutable
Yeah,
object.
it is in
Okay.
order.
It's, yeah. Order is not preserved. Order anyway does not preserve. That's the reason we said unordered collection of elements. But see, a set can be modified by adding an element. And suppose, sir, one more very interesting point. Can everybody can listen me. Interesting point. Sir, set is a mutable object, no doubt. Sir, if you want to create an immutable set, yes, right. See, you're right, you're right. Okay. Mm. If you want to create an immutable set, sir, set is a mutable object. We already just know, we have discussed it's a mutable object. But now I am saying, if you want to create an immutable set, yes, we have to use frozen set, guys. Frozen set. Frozen set. Okay. What do you mean by a frozen set? Remember, frozen set in the sense, see, now let me write the point. Based on the point we can discuss. See, if we want an immutable set, we should use a frozen set. Yes. And see, if you want, to, okay, create, you want to create an, okay, immutable set. You want to create an immutable set, guys, I'm writing here immutable set. If you want to create an immutable set, yes, we should use frozen set. Okay, sometimes this is also very important question, guys. And frozen set. Okay, frozen set. Okay, and let us see, guys, how to create a frozen set. Sir, what is the difference between set and frozen set? What could be your answer? What is the difference between set and frozen set? Set is a immutable, sorry, set is a mutable object, whereas frozen set is a, come on, immutable object. Guys, remember, set is a mutable, frozen set is a immutable. Are you guys clear with this? Set is mutable, frozen set is, come on, frozen set is immutable.
Immutable.
Okay, now let
Yeah.
us see better. First we'll create a frozen set. Okay, and how to create a frozen set? And simply there is a function, see, uh see guys, fs frozen set. Okay, otherwise my underscore, okay, and frozen set. My underscore frozen underscore set equal to, there is a function called, okay, frozen set. There is a function called, guys, a frozen set. There is a function called frozen set. Inside the frozen set, guys, come on. Inside the frozen set, you have to give the set. You need to pass the set. Okay. And let us pass. Okay. Give, okay, flower brackets. Give the flower brackets. Now 10, comma, 20, comma, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Sir, some elements are added. Frozen set of. Okay. Inside that, I am passing a set. Frozen set takes the argument as a set. Now, wait. Sir, frozen set is created. Let us prove it. Let us prove it. Frozen set is immutable. You have to prove frozen set is immutable. Okay. So for that, try to add my underscore, okay, frozen underscore set dot. Okay. Okay. See, that guy asked the question. Okay. Append. Okay. Append. Try to use append and append. Okay. 70. See, frozen set object has no attribute called append. Okay. Here append cannot be used. You have to use add. Add. Add is, okay, 70. Okay. See guys, try to add. What is happening now? See, frozen set object has no attribute called add. Hmm. Error. Guys, throwing an error. It cannot be modified. Yes. Now tell me, sir. It's a what type of object? Frozen set. Is it mutable or immutable? Come on, guys, please. So I can understand at least how you people are understanding. A frozen set is mutable or
Immutable.
immutable? Yes,
Immutable.
Immutable.
immutable. Immutable. Okay. And now um, let us try one more point. Okay. Sir, I'm creating a simple set. Set name is, let us say, um, set underscore. Sir, set underscore nest. Nest. Okay. Equal to, say, curly brackets. Okay. 10, comma, 20, comma, 30, comma, 40. Again, comma. Within that, one more set I'm trying insert. Okay. Within the set, I want to add a one more set. Set name is, see, Python. Set name is, okay. Sorry. Set name is data factory. Okay. One more set. Okay. And data bricks. And in that, and say synapse, and one more set. Okay. And Microsoft Fabric. Yeah. See guys, within the set there is another set. Within the set there is another set. See guys, what happens? Observe whether it permits nested sets, whether it permits nested sets or not. Observe, then based on that we can write some conclusion. Okay, sir, within the set I want to keep another set. Hmm. Sir, what is the error? It's coming as an error. That means guys, okay, a set cannot contain, okay, a set cannot contain a set embedded in it. Means a set cannot contain nested sets. Meaning, yeah. So based on that, one more point you can write, guys. Sir, what is one more important key point? Okay, a set, a set cannot, a set cannot contain a set. Okay, a set, a set cannot contain a set. A set embedded. A set cannot contain a set embedded in it. Okay, means nested sets cannot be created. Nested sets cannot be created. Remember, sir, in simple you can say in bracket you can also okay write like okay see nested sets cannot be created. Nested sets cannot be created. Simple. And one more thing, guys, remember one more important key point I'm writing here. Sir, two sets cannot be added. Okay, two sets cannot be added. Two sets cannot be added. Okay, to create. Two sets cannot be added to create. Okay, a third set. Two sets cannot be added. Two sets cannot be added to create a third set. What is the meaning of that? See, guys, here. Now, see, and let us try to create, say, S1. I'm creating a S1 set equal to, and simply take 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 comma 5. This is a one set. Now there is a one more set S2. Okay, again within the curly brackets 10 comma 20 comma 30 and 40, something like. Okay, there are two sets. There are two sets. Let us create the third set. Okay, and S3 equal to, come on, S3 equal to S1 plus adding S1 plus S2. I'm creating a third set S3, S1 plus S2. See? Unsupported operand plus. It does not support. Okay. Okay. Now, there is a one more very interesting point, guys. There's a one more very interesting point. Let us watch it. Based on that, again, we'll see the practical. Sir, set is a ordered or unordered collection. Guys, come on. Please tell me. Set is an ordered or unordered collection? It is an unordered collection?
Unordered. Yes, it's
Unordered.
unordered.
So, yes. Being an unordered collection, guys. Being an unordered collection, items in the set cannot be accessed using index. Okay, write that point. Okay, and being okay, and being an unordered collection, sir, being an unordered collection. Okay, okay, items. Okay, items in a set. Items means elements. Items in a set. Okay, and cannot be accessed using cannot be accessed using okay an index, cannot be accessed using an index. Okay, and one more important point that also you can note down, then we'll see the practical. And sets, okay, sets cannot be sliced. Okay, sets, if index is not supported, if index is not supporting, since index concept is not supporting here, even you can't be sliced. Okay, sets cannot be, yes, sets cannot be sliced. Okay, using okay, using slicing. Okay, okay, let us see, guys. um Now let us see. Sir, already you created a okay set. Okay, maybe, okay, the set name is my set or something you created, my set. Okay, print guys, what is my set? Better before accessing my set. Okay, good. My set has some elements. Sir, try to access. Try. Okay, and see my set. Okay, my set. Okay, now square bracket index position. Sir, I give to 0. First element are required. That object is not okay subscriptable. See, not supporting. At the same time, okay, slicing also try. My underscore set slicing operator. Slicing operator. Now starting index is 1, start index 1, okay, and range operator colon, and end index is 4, okay. I'm giving means get the slice from index 1 to 3, 1 to 3, because of 4 is exclusive. Get the elements from 1 to 3. Get the elements. Get the elements from the set from index 1 to 3. Okay, try 1 2 3 and means 1 2 3. I mean it's 1 2 3. Okay, let us try what happens. It supports or not. It does not support. See, slicing cannot be done. Okay, okay, and see guys. Okay, and one more very interesting point. Okay, right. Okay, sir, understand this terminology. Okay, set is an, okay, okay, set is an, in the double quotes I'm writing, iterable object. Sir, what do you mean by iterable? What do you mean by iterable? Come on, you know very well. You can say what is an iterable. Hmm,
Going through the entire set of elements.
very good, very good. See, iterable object means you can access elements. You can access elements one after another repeatedly. One after another repeatedly. Okay, that means you can execute for loop. You know for loop. For loop, okay, using for loop you can access the elements iteratively means repeatedly. You can access the elements, get the first element, next second element, next third element. Like set is an iterable object. Okay, and see, that means if more elaborated, but this iterable object, that wording, remember, iterable object. Even guys, could you please tell me string, list, tuple? Is it all comes under iterable objects? Come on. Is it iterable objects?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. Yes.
yes, yes. And that point we'll write. Wait. Because last class we have not discussed, but we'll write today. Okay. Okay. Sets can be, guys, here I'm writing first. Iterable object means I'm writing. Iterable object means sets can be, okay, iterated. Sets can be iterated over. Sets can be iterated over and a loop over. Okay, sets can be iterated over. Okay, using, okay, using a for loop. Using a for loop. Sets can be iterated over using a for loop. Okay, same thing under key points you can write here. Okay, see, yes, I'm writing strings. Okay, comma. Okay, okay, lists, comma, tuples are okay, and see iterable objects are iterable objects. Okay, so fine. And guys, here and see what can be iterated over using loop means, guys, and understand sets can be iterated over using a for loop. That means, suppose sir, I have a my set. Better print my set first before using a loop. Print my underscore set. Guys, print my underscore set. Guys, here, come on. Okay. Now what I'm doing is, okay, I'm using a for loop. Okay. And for the timing, I'm telling what is the syntax for loop. For loop begins with the keyword for. After keyword for, you have to declare a variable. Okay. Now some variable name is say x. Yeah. For x. Okay. In. Okay. Now iterable. Initerable means in set, or in tuple or in list or in string. Okay. After in is a keyword, means in set get the first element. What is a set name? My underscore set is a iterable object. Okay. Colon, where the for loop statement, okay, begins the body. Colon indicates the body of the for loop. Now print x. I'm printing x. So guys, my set is a iterable object. Okay. And if you want, let me write the syntax separately in the notepad. For loop syntax will be like this, guys. For is a keyword. After that, you need to declare one variable. Okay. Next, in is a keyword. Next, sorry. For declare a variable. Next, in. Okay. Next, space. Next, iterable. Okay. Colon. Next, you guys can, in the body, you guys can write, okay, whatever maybe you want, print, okay, variable. Right. See that what is the meaning of that, guys? Remember, what is the meaning of that is, okay, and try to understand the for loop meaning, try to understand, guys, how this, suppose, sir, I have my set. Okay, sir, let us say example, S is my set. Okay, now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There is 5 elements are there. Guys, there are 5 elements. Now, I'm declaring a for loop. Guys, for x. X is a variable in, okay, what is the iterable name? S1. S1 is iterable, colon, okay, body, okay, print, I'm printing element x. So what is actually the meaning of this? Sir, from set, from set in S1 means, guys, in S1, sir, in S1 means from set 1, get the first element. First, get the first element. Now, the first element is assigned with x is equal to 10. Now, print the value 10. In the next iteration, get the second element assigned to variable x. Now, print value as 20. In the next iteration, okay, get the element 30 assigned to the variable. Again, get the element assigned to the variable 40. Okay, so iteratively it will fetch the element. Iteratively fetch each element and assign to the variable x and printing that x. Okay, so guys, see, and how I'm using, I'm just printing elements. Okay, go on. Yes, elements are printed. Okay, so It's iterable object. Iterable object means it can be loop over the object, loop over the each element, loop over each element in the object, loop over every element in the object, set object or tuple object or list object. Okay, and one more thing guys, even you can find what is the length of element. See guys, here you can find out length function. You can use length of my underscore set is my set. It will display the number of elements, return the number of elements. So totally 7 elements. See, you can count here itself. Totally 7 elements are there. Okay, number of elements, if you want to know, you can use a length function. In that, if you want to find out what is a minimum value in the element my underscore set, what is a minimum value? Minimum value is 100. See guys, in the set minimum value among all the elements, minimum value is 100, and max value you can also use max of as max of my set 700. 700 is the max value. Yes, even if you want to know sum of the elements, sum of, okay, my underscore set, sum of all elements, element types are same. Okay, 2800. Yes, and you guys can also do, okay, sorted, okay, sorted of, okay, my underscore set, sorting, sorting the data in ascending order. Okay, and these methods you can use it. Okay, and here fine. Maybe you can say you have a two sets guys, s1, print s1 guys, print what is already we created a s1 set. There elements 1 2 3 4 are there. Print s2, have some elements, okay, 40 10 20 30. Sir, and I want to add elements of s2, I want to add it to s1. Elements of s2, sir, elements of s2 I want to add it to s1. So how to add it? Okay, see guys here, s1 dot, guys, s1 dot update, guys, s1 dot update. Here I am passing s2. Sir, what is the meaning of this? Come on. S1 dot update S2 means elements of S2 added to S1. Guys, elements of S2 added to S1. Okay. Now see guys. Okay. Now after that, print S1. Come on. After adding print S1, see guys, elements of S2 are added to S1. Yes. Yeah. If you want, you can also remove. Guys, if you want, you can remove. Sir, S1 has, see, 1 2 3 4 5. S1 is a set having 5 elements, 1 2 3 4. I want to remove one element. Yeah, you can do S1 dot remove. Guys, remove one element. 5 is the element I want to remove, guys. After removing, print S1. No, you know, set is a mutable object. Set is a mutable. You can add elements, you can remove elements. See, I'm removing. Sir, 5 is not available. See guys, is a 5 available? 1 2 3 4 only available. 5 is not available. Yes, you can remove.
Yes.
Okay, and see, if you want to clear the entire list, you can clear s1 dot, okay, clear. Now clear and print s1. Yes, guys, set is empty. Everything is got cleared. Okay, come on. Everything got cleared. Okay. So fine, guys. Okay. And here, these are okay. Some important operations. Even, sir, you can perform union, intersect, minus. These are all things can also be performed, and that may be okay. We'll discuss in the next class. Okay. I'm stopping the